Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press on our power key button here on the right side of our device, I can enable the camera application. And if you want to turn off this option, just to lock your device with your power key and nothing more, you just should go into the settings application and then scroll to the advanced features. Then just tap here to the side key and just tap here once on this double press switcher to turn off this option. And now just by double press your power key, you just can lock your device and you can enable the camera application. So that's it, that's how to disable quick launch on your device, and thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.